What's your company's position on sustainability? Does your policy include all three pillars of corporate responsibility? Economic, environmental, and social sustainability, the three vital principles to uphold. We see it all the time. Companies will preach green initiatives, yet their floors are lined with throwaway matting, usually foam or rubber products destined for landfills. The three pillars not only benefit the planet, but they contribute to a positive company image and employee satisfaction. Let's show you how. First, social responsibility. Do employees at your workplace feel safe, supported, and satisfied? SafeFlex creates safer workspaces because it eliminates hazards found with most other matting products. Employees are well supported because of our unique spring-like compression system that promotes consistent blood flow in the legs, relieving fatigue. What about economic responsibility? What is the sense of constantly replacing your throwaway matting? These costs add up quickly. With a life cycle 10 times that of many others, cost savings are quickly realized with SafeFlex. This, coupled with happier employees, sounds like a winning contribution to your profitability and economic responsibility. Finally, environmental. SafeFlex is made from recycled plastics. In fact, more than 2 million pounds is diverted annually from local landfills. 100% of the matting we put on the floor is recyclable at end of life, making your environmental responsibility easily achieved. The SafeFlex floor system from Ergo Advantage is the responsible choice in ergonomic safety matting. Our business model has been based on green initiatives for decades, providing a safer, more supportive, and more sustainable solution at your feet.